Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can find location tag, tag photos and videos with location information. So you just enable it like this, then you have to grant access to location services, to camera. Go to permissions, location, allow while using the app, and now you can switch this feature all you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.